Hey, what's up, everybody? We are currently in Aruba, so I figured I'd give you guys a quick room tour. This is for the Eagle Aruba. All right, so we're gonna start with the kitchen. This hotel has a kitchenette here, so we just show you what they get. They do give you in the room. You have a fridge. We don't have much in it right now, but regular size, full size fridge. They do give you a toaster oven. And so I'm not sure what's in this chemistry. It looks like containers, if you want to make something to drink. Your container to fill ice with it. Then each floor there is an ice maker, so if you want to get some ice for drinks or whatever, they have that here. Plenty of glasses and cups if you need them. This does have a garbage disposal. And it gives you plenty of trash under here, so there's 2 barrels for any trash you want to throw away. It does come with a blender if you want to do any blending. That's where we haven't used it, so but that's where they store it. And of course the microwave, which is not difficult to use at all. Typical microwave. Stovetop. Containers. And this is, bowls and cups and whatnot. Let's see what else we got. Let's see, you get your coffee maker. Sorry, it's kind of a mess in here. I didn't bother cleaning up for the video, so I'll give you a coffee maker. And some utensils, not a lot, obviously you're not going to be needing a lot, but there's just enough for what you need. Knives and to cut anything, like steak and whatnot. Bottle openers, more spoons in here. Not sure what else is in these lower cabinets. Strainer. To hold your dishes after you wash them. Plenty of pots and pans. Apparently if you come to Aruba, they assume you're going to be doing a lot of cooking in your own room. We didn't really do much cooking here, minimal amount. And then this goes off into the living area. They have a 5-screen TV. This is on Dish Network. It was okay. It's okay. Obviously you're not going to spend a ton of time in your room. I mean, there's a handful of channels that I thought were something I would watch, but most of it was politics and news. Something I would not usually watch that much of. And the small table in the middle here. This does a pull-out couch, pulls out to a, I think it's a twin-size bed. I did pull it out. I didn't think it was all that comfortable. I prefer the regular bed. I just wanted to try because it seemed like this area was a little bit cooler than the bedroom was, because the AC reaches this area more than the bedroom. So we're going to try out this room, but we decided that it just wasn't comfortable enough. Of course, you get one table, seats probably about 6 people, probably 4 on the bench, 2 chairs. And we're going to go to the bathroom. Sorry again if it's a mess. Like I said, I didn't clean up for the video. But the shower is relatively large. So they get the soap on the walls, shampoo and soap if you need them. If you didn't bring your own. Large area. So you need, of course, there's a sink and whatnot. Plenty of rolls of toilet paper. It's the area to store stuff underneath. And then brings you into the bedroom, which has a ceiling fan. And like I said, there's only one register in here for the AC to come in. And I didn't think it was particularly that cool in here. I mean, it was okay, but it wasn't freezing like the rest of the area. It was about 75 degrees in here. We set it had the thermostat at 68, and it wasn't even getting down to that that cool in here. So the AC probably, I'm not sure why it doesn't work as well as it should. Anyways, there's another TV in here, and it's like a, bureau to store your clothes, 4 large drawers, plenty of space. There is one chair underneath this pile of clothes we got here. And then you got 2 lamps, 2 end tables, alarm clock. It's a queen size bed. They said it was a king, but I think it's a queen. It doesn't feel like it's large as a king. Anyways, both tables are exactly the same. 2 lamps, and then you got your balcony out here. There's a window that goes outside. And the other door, they give you these wrist things. Let me see if I can find one. Yeah, they give you these wrist things for the doors. So you just, you put your wrist up to the door and it unlocks the door. There's no cards or digital number input or whatever. You just put your wrist up to the door and it opens the door for you. I think that's about it. There's plenty of storage, as I said. Also, almost forgot, there is a storage closet. Here's another one in the bedroom, roughly the same size, but pillows or blankets to store them. Ironing board. They do give you an iron, which just hangs on the wall right there. So plenty of storage. And area in the kitchen to cook if you want. Give you plenty to clean up with. I think that's going to do it. This room was, decent size. It's 6'4". Plenty of room to cook and eat in here. So I think that's a plus. Other than the temperature in here, I think place is a decent place to stay. I think it's going to wrap this one up. I just wanted to give you guys a quick room tour where we stayed. And this is for the Eagle Aruba in Aruba. So if you guys like this video, give me a like and hit that subscribe.